What's the meaning of alms? Alms. 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 Alms.
Alms refers to the act of giving money or food to someone who is poor or in need, especially as a charitable act. It is typically associated with the practice of charity in many religions and cultures. The act of giving alms is often seen as a form of compassion and generosity towards those in need, and is considered to be a virtuous act. By giving alms, one can help to alleviate the suffering of those who are less fortunate and contribute to the betterment of society as a whole.